Hey guys, I'm Andrea Peterson, and today we are going to go over Chaturanga Tadasana, or what some of you guys know as kind of like push-up pose. Basically, Chaturanga Tadasana means four-limbed staff pose. And the staff pose is representative of what the body creates, is this long line of the vertebrae from the head to the heels, nice and long. The origins of Chaturanga is basically bowing down or surrendering to the one who gives you strength and nourishment. It's not necessarily a surrender in a negative term like I lost, I failed. It's in giving in and honoring what is to come next and what is to come for you. Because the beautiful thing about Chaturanga, it is powerful. It's a powerful pose that requires energy and muscle to do. So when you bow down, you are bowing down to your greater self and the greater good around you that is going to make you the best version that is you. Now in this, we're going to go through a couple things like to know when you're working through Chaturanga, some things to think about, some variations, and then I'm going to take you through a nice little flow that includes Chaturanga because it is one of the key components of sun salutation, which is a vinyasa flow that you have either done or will experience several times in one of your yoga practices. Things to think about when you're in Chaturanga or push-up position. Keep your elbows drawn backwards next to your rib cage. Also take your heels and press them back to the back of the room and draw your head long forward. This will help elongate your spine and the entire length of your body. Also imagine yourself pressing the ground away so you feel lifted and strong. Some modifications of Chaturanga include knees on the ground, high plank, knees, chest, chin as you lower down to the mat, or using a bolster or blanket below your belly to support yourself. Things to watch out for. If you have carpal tunnel syndrome or any type of shoulder injury, wrist injury, or arm injury, this is not a good pose for you. Also, if you are pregnant, it is best to stay in high plank. Some of the physical benefits that come with Chaturanga: it strengthens and tones the wrist, arms, abs, and lower back. It prepares the body for more challenging arm poses, and it also helps to improve posture. Some of the energetic benefits that come from Chaturanga is this is a pose that helps us connect with that which gives us strength and energy, both inside and out. It is said to stimulate the Manipura Chakra, our energy center of confidence and self-esteem. In Chaturanga, it encourages us to release the thinking mind and to ground ourselves in the heart space. We are also asked to let go of that which blocks us from complete openness, gratitude, appreciation, and oneness. As you pass through Chaturanga, imagine yourself bowing down to you and what is around you. Since Chaturanga is part of a sun salutation or a vinyasa flows, although it is a pause, a pose, you move through it. So think of it as like you are bowing down to yourself, to the energy, to being open and allowing for what might come into your life next.